My people, we thank Baba God for another day wey Baba God don allow us see I thank all of una wey dey lis ten Today my yarnings go be about dat Femi branch yarnings wey e talk about Nollywood and dis cinema drama wey dey happen. I no go lie, one or two things wey the guy talk for dat video na true, because really I no see reason why be say some kind set of film go come out for the same period of time. Maybe as dis our December just dey so, films just come out once. I no see reason why films go come out at the same time, then the different merchandise of the various films maybe go dey available to the cinema. I no see the reason why na only one brand or two brands of the t-shirts una dey wear. For instance, 5 films go come out now. The 5 films dey bring their merchandise for una based on advert and the rest. Why be say una go leave after that 5 films, una go carry only 2 una go dey wear, 2 of the branded of the films. Una go leave the other 3 films, una no go wear them. Because e no make sense. E mean say una dey privatize the other 2. Because all these people, they spend money they spend money to put all those films out. Most of them borrow money finish. At the end of the day, cinema people go dey do what they like. E no dey fair. Make we dey frank. Now make me dey get the belief say if you go YouTube now, some of the films wey you see for YouTube, to me na cinema standard. So everybody come dey be like say they run go there. Because make we dey true to ourselves. Because that same thing don do me. E get one particular film when I wan watch for this December so. I check one of the cinema, I check their website because I take know the streaming time, the viewing time, so that I'll just go, I know your waka away. I check am, I check, e no dey. I come like dey wonder wetin dey happen, why this thing no dey? Why this thing no dey the cinema? I come say okay, no wahala na. Now you come I check am for like 2-3 days, maybe they will put am, e no dey. So one of these days I come see one of the staff, he wear one of the films branded shirts. One of the films wey just come out that period, he wear one of the branded shirts. I come ask am say, baby girl, how far? I come greet am, ask am say, at least I know say her face dey familiar for the cinema. I come ask am say, how far? This particular film when I dey find, I don go on her website, e no dey. Now you see they don pull am comot for cinema. See, their manager dey work to bring her back. He come dey advise me make I watch one particular film, that is na the shirt she wear. I come tell am say no, I no wan watch that film. Na this particular film na me dey find. She come say man, she dey try to persuade me say the film dey interesting. I come laugh. I can no wahala, but na that one I wan watch. So after some days, I just stroll go the cinema, I go do 1 or 2. As I reach there, based on say other things still dey the cinema. Now I come just remember, I say my climb go the cinema section. I come ask them say that film wey I dey find don come. The girl come say no, say they no bring her back to cinema and all that. And when I still reach there, the same thing when I still talk earlier, now I see now I see they still wear one particular film branded shirt. When the other film may come out for cinema, is it that the producers of those film no release shirts to them, no release merchandise to them, and they still wear caps and shirt and whatever? They no release them to them, and they still wear? Because I really don't know what it. I just feel say most of all this cinema they promote some film pass the way they promote the other one. Because why so kind things will they happen? Because not be the duty of a cinema to the advertise one film ahead of the other. Let people make them watch what is in their mind. I don't know. I just hope we will do better. This country, so many things they wrong for different institutions for this country. Up till now, that film I'm supposed to watch, I don't watch the film. It's just unfortunate, what is there. But I feel for our producers, so I feel for our filmmakers, because you know easy you spend millions of naira to produce film, and cinema go they do their own. You know easy, not be being so. If you reason the millions all those people they put in, not be the emotional, the physical. If you come on the money aspect, the emotional, the physical, and the mental strength when they put into those movies. You know easy, you can't put some finish to that movie. Cinema will come to do what it did their hand. It's not the fair, but I just feel say we need to do better. Not be there enough say we go to cost government. So no say any small thing we don't cost government, any small thing we don't blame government. Government still get their own, no doubt, but we as citizens, we get our own pass, and we need to make sure say we do better. My people, una do.